Ok, es hora de iniciar. Espero que todos estén listos. Gracias por conectarse a tiempo. Hello, how are you? Good, fine, happy, sleepy? How are you today?
Hi, good evening.
Okay, very good. Thank you for your answers, Sarai. What about the others? Good, happy, fine. How are you?
Hi, I am good.
Good, very good, Saida.
Hello, I'm
Hello.
good.
Good, Antonia. Nice job. Thank you. Well, thanks to all of you guys. Thank you for coming on time to our class. In this opportunity, we have to start. We have a very interesting topic today, guys. So I want to start, first of all, with this question, okay? Give me a second. Well, I want to know, everybody, what are your favorite hobbies? Okay, this is our question for today. Very simple. What are your favorite hobbies? I want to hear, guys, if you don't know how to say it in English, you can say it in Spanish. Si no sabemos cómo decirlo en inglés, do it in Spanish, okay? But please try to practice. What are your favorite hobbies, your favorite activities, okay? To start with this activity, I want to hear Wendy. Okay, Wendy, tell me, what are your favorite hobbies?
My favorite hobby is playing
Play what?
basketball.
Basketball. Okay, that's good. Do you play in a team or,
Yes,
or with friends?
in my job,
Okay, that's nice. So thank you for sharing, Wendy. That's something good. Now let's see. Pablo, What are your favorite hobbies?
My favorite hobby is tocar guitarra, ¿cómo se dice?
Oh, play the guitar. Play the guitar, Pablo. That's good. Pablo, question. Do you play songs? ¿Alguna canción que toques, que te puedas?
Un montón.
Oh, okay, so you are good at the guitar. That's nice. Okay. Thank you for sharing, Pablo. That's good. What about Sarai Abrego? Sarai, what are your favorite hobbies?
My favorite hobby is play soccer.
Play soccer. Okay. Do you play in a team?
No.
With friends?
Sorry?
With friends?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So thank you for sharing, Sarai. That's good. Now let's see. Eric, what are your favorite hobbies?
My favorite hobby is driving.
Driving. So do you drive in your free time, en tu tiempo libre? You drive?
Yes,
Okay. Where do you go? ¿A dónde vas? Hello, Eric.
de paseo, pero no puedo pronunciarlo, perdón.
Okay, don't worry. That's good. Okay, so you go on a trip. That's fine. Claudia Loy, what are your favorite hobbies? Good evening.
My favorite hobby is read book and going for a walk.
Oh, go for a walk. That's a good one. The other one is read a book. The other hobby?
Yes,
Go for a walk and read a book.
read the book.
Okay. What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is Pasiones que Matan.
Okay, that's good. That I have never listened to about it. Nunca lo había escuchado, but it sounds interesting. Se escucha interesante. That's good. Thank you,
Está
Claudia.
interesante.
Okay, that's good. So thank you, Claudia. Now Lisette, hello, good evening. Tell me, what are your favorite hobbies?
Hello. My favorite hobbies sería bordar, pero no sé cómo se dice en inglés.
Knit?
Knit. Así.
Okay. Yes, knit. Yes, letter K is mute. Okay, we don't pronounce letter K. Just knit. Okay, very good. Okay, that's an interesting activity. Thank you, Lisette. What about, let's see, Yvette de Martinez. Yvette, what are your favorite hobbies?
My favorite is reading a big, no sé cómo se dice bicicleta, big o bike.
Bike, ride a bike. So repeat again, ride a bike.
Ride a bike. Right.
Okay, that's a good one. Okay, very good. And Antonia, what is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is watch anime.
Watch anime. Okay, so that's a little bit different. Okay, what's your favorite anime?
For a moment is One Piece.
One Piece. Okay, that's a good one. Thank you, Antonia. Catherine Palma, what is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is watch movies.
Watch movies.
Yes.
What movies do you watch? For example, horror, romantic, comedy.
De todo.
Okay, any kind. Okay,
Yes.
any kind. That's good, okay, any kind. Okay, para decir de todo, una posibilidad podría ser any kind, okay, any kind of movies. Okay, very good. Thank you, Catherine. That's good. Let's continue with...
¿Cómo se escribe?
Ahí lo escribí en el chat. Any
okay.
kind. Yes. Okay, good. Let's see. Oh, Saida, tell me, what are your favorite hobbies?
My favorite is watch anime.
Oh, watch anime too. And what is your favorite anime?
Por el momento, Kimetsu no Yaiba.
Kimetsu?
Kimetsu no Yaiba.
Okay, okay, very good. I never listened about it. Okay, no que lo haya escuchado, pero good, thank you. That's good, Saida. Let's continue with, I don't know too much about anime, guys. No sé mucho de anime, por eso lo menciono. I watched anime in the past. For example, Dragon Ball, Pokemon, and like that, okay? And Yu-Gi-Oh, okay? But I don't know too much about that. Mi hermano sabe, yo no. Okay, very good. Let's continue with Carla Vanessa. Carla, tell me, what are your favorite hobbies?
My favorite hobby is listen to music.
Okay, listen to music. What kind? Pop, rock, cumbia, salsa?
Any kind,
Any kind.
any kind.
Okay, that's something nice. And okay, our last volunteer, Daniela. What are your favorite hobbies, Daniela?
My favorite hobby is shopping.
Shopping.
Yes.
Okay, so you go shopping what day? Monday on Sunday? ¿Qué día? Every day. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so there is a lot of money. Okay, that's good. Okay, thank you for your answers, guys. Thank you because you participate. You speak in English. I'm really happy because of that, guys. Me alegra que todos o la mayoría hayan hablado en inglés, hayan tratado. Yo sé que probablemente no sabemos la pronunciación de algunas actividades, pero hemos hecho lo posible de decir actividades en inglés, ¿ok? O al menos preguntar, hey, how do you say this? ¿Ok? O cómo se dice esto en inglés. So, very good. Guys, I will copy all this vocabulary on the chat. Le voy a poner esto en el chat, everybody, para que también lo tengamos durante la clase, ya que hoy lo vamos a utilizar. ¿Ok? Today, everybody, our class is about simple present. Okay, the class for today, it's about simple present, everybody. So we have to, in this moment, we have everybody to pay attention to the use of simple present. To start, pay attention to Carla Vanessa. Carla, please read that information.
Okay. How do you say
Habits.
Habits. Okay. Habits on repeat action. I eat.
Okay, very good. Let's stop over there. Nos vamos a detener ahí un ratito, okay? Look at the example. I eat. Question, guys. Do you eat? Do you
Comer.
eat, everybody? Yes, that's the meaning. Ese es el significado. Ahora mi pregunta. You eat o no? You eat
Yes.
or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Let's see. You eat today?
Yes.
Okay. And yesterday?
Yes.
Okay. And tomorrow?
Yes.
And on Independence Day?
Yes.
Okay. Gracias, Lisa. Gracias por su respuesta. Okay, Lisa. So, very good. Look at this, guys. We are talking about repeated actions. Okay? Acciones repetitivas. Look at this. I repeat that action 1, 2, 3, 4. So I repeat the action. I eat 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and more. Okay? I eat I repeat the action many times. Okay, I repeat the action. So it's a habit. Okay, a habit. Something you do every day, algo que hacemos cada día o que hacemos cada cierto tiempo. It's a habit. Okay, look at the example. Let's continue with Lisette. Okay, so Lisette, please read the structure.
Subject más verbo más verb in past form más complement.
And the example.
I take a shower every day.
Okay, that's good. But now with more intonation. I take a shower. Okay, Lisette, repeat.
A shower.
I take a shower every day.
I take a shower every day.
Nice, much better, Lisette. Okay. Again, guys, one more question. You take a shower today? Hello, hello. You take a shower, guys, or no?
Yes.
O solo yo? No,
Yes.
come on, guys. Yes, very
Yes.
good. Okay.
Yes.
Now, and yesterday
Yes.
Yeah.
and
Yes.
tomorrow?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, pretty good. And I don't know. El sábado, on Saturday?
Yes.
Yes.
Very good. So we are talking about a habit, okay? Habit or a repeated action. Remember, simple present is common to be used for habits and repeated actions. For example, I take a shower every day. So it means, everybody, I take a shower every day on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I take a shower every day. The 7 days, I take a shower. Okay? Very good. Now, look at this, everybody. We have important information about he, she, and it. For he, she, and it, everybody, the general rule is verb plus letter S. Question for you guys. What is the verb? Let's see, Sarai. What is the verb in this sentence?
Take.
Ah, very good. Take. For he, she, and it, I say takes. Okay. For he, she, and it, the correct form is takes. Like that. Okay. Takes. He takes. She takes. It takes. Good. Now, everybody, let's continue. Pay attention to the structures. The structure is the following, guys. Remember, subject, verb in base form, and complement. Guys, ¿a qué nos referimos con verb in base form? Verb in base form. ¿A qué nos referimos con eso?
En presente.
En presente, en su forma normal. ¿Ok? No le cambiamos nada, no le agregamos nada, ni le quitamos, sino en su forma normal. Look at the subjects. Right now, we have 4 subjects. Okay, 4 subjects. Wendy, what are the subjects?
I.
No, the 4 subjects.
They.
Oh, all the subjects.
I, you, we, they.
Very good. Then, verb in base form. Pablo, what are the verbs in this part? Wake up, continue.
Eat.
Ajá. Continue.
¿Cómo se pronuncia eso?
Go to.
Go to, watch.
Excellent. Okay. We have 4 verbs. Wake up. Okay, wake up. Number 2, eat. Number 3, go to. And number 4, watch. Okay? And we have a complement for these verbs. Okay? The complement puede cambiar. Recuerden eso. The complement cambia dependiendo del verb. For example, guys, I wake up at 7 a.m. I wake up at 7 a.m. My example, at 7 a.m. As you see, guys, the subject, the verb, and the complement match. Okay? Las 3 partes de la oración se unen, tienen sentido. For example, guys, imagine I say, I eat TV. I eat TV. Is that correct, everybody? I eat TV?
No.
No, okay. I don't eat TV. What do I do with the TV? ¿Qué puedo hacer con the TV?
Watch.
Watch.
I watch. Okay, very good. So, remember, subject, verb, and complement always match. Siempre, siempre tienen que tener sentido. Siempre tienen que conectarse. Okay? Then we have another example. Okay, I can say, for example, we go to school. Do you go to school? Yes or no?
Yes.
Saraí,
Yeah.
yes. Eric, yes. Okay, very good. So, we go to school. Okay, to school. Very good. Remember, this is the structure. When we have the subjects, I, you, we, and they. Ok, ahorita hablamos de estos 4 subjects. Los demás ahorita los vamos a dejar a un ladito. Esa es la estructura para estos 4 subjects. I, you, we, they. Then, any question about this, guys? Questions? No questions? No hay questions por el momento? Okay, let's continue. Now, everybody, pay attention to simple present third person rules. When we say third person, everybody, we are talking about he, she, and it. Okay? And this is the rule, guys. This is the rule. Esta es la regla general. Verb plus letter S. But now, guys, let's talk about the rules for simple present in third person. Remember third person? He, she, and it. Lo voy a escribir acá para que no se nos olvide. He, she, it. Okay, very good. Let's continue and please pay attention to Hidalba Vanessa, okay? Vanessa Salas, read the 2 rules, number 1 and 2, okay?
Okay. Rule 1. Add S for most verbs. Work, works. Eat, eats. Make, makes.
Excellent. Okay. Continue with number 2, I'm sorry.
Okay. Rule 2. Add a
ES.
ES for verbs that end in H, no.
CH.
S, el otro, no sé cómo se dice ese.
SH.
SH, X, C. Watch, watches, pass, passes, fix, fixes. No
Thank
sé
you.
si está bien la pronunciación.
Yes, that's right. Okay. Recuerden lo que les mencionaba con los nouns. Bueno, hagamos un recordatorio. Cuando hablamos de los nouns, recuerden que también vimos como 8 reglas acerca de los nouns. En este caso, guys, thanks God, everybody, there are no 8 rules, okay? No son 8 reglas para los verbs. Son solamente 4. Bueno, yeah, 4. ¿Ok? So, son menos reglas. Entonces se nos va a hacer un poco más fácil. What do you have to remember? Remember the final letters. Ok, vamos a recordar las final letters. In this case, everybody, most of the verbs, not all, not todos, but most, we add letter S. For example, guys, I can say this. I eat beans and cheese for lunch. Okay, para almuerzo, for lunch. Now, let's see, let's ask Claudia. Tell me, what do you eat for lunch? I eat beans. And you, Claudia?
Chicken.
Oh, I eat
Chicken and vegetable for lunch.
Wow, that's good. Very good. Now, pay attention. This sentence, number one, it's my sentence. Number two is not my sentence. It's Claudia's sentence. What is the subject for Claudia? What is the subject, guys? Ah, very good. She. Okay, we use the rule. Vamos a usar la regla. ¿Qué regla usamos? Number one or number two?
Number 1.
Number one, she eats chicken and vegetables for lunch, okay? She eats chicken and vegetables for lunch. I eat beans, she eats chicken, okay? So these are the rules, everybody, for he, she, and it, okay? The second rule, everybody, look at this. The verbs that finish in CH, for example, watch. In letter S, for example, pass. In SH no tenemos ejemplo. Les voy a escribir uno aquí que es similar al que ya tenemos y es wash and washes. So SH. Then we have another verb, everybody, and we have fix, fixes. And then we have letter Z. Oh, this one is difficult, guys. I don't remember any. No recuerdo ninguno que termine en letter Z. Okay, but I will look for one. Ya voy a buscar uno para darles un ejemplo. But, as you see, we add ES. A todos estos verbos le agregamos ES. And remember one more syllable. They become one more syllable. Agregamos también con ese ES, agregamos una nueva sílaba. Watch, watches. Pass, passes. Fix, fixes. Wash, washes. Okay? Very good. Continue, guys, with the next rules. Okay, right now, everybody, pay attention to rule 3 and 4. Okay, Eric, read rule 3 and 4.
If the verb in consonant clause.
Why? Oh, Eric, your microphone.
J.
Why? Why?
Y. N. Y. 2. I. N. S.
Examples?
Study, studies. Mary, marries. Yeah. Rule 4. if the verb end in vowel,
Vowel.
vowel plus J and is. 8. Play, plays. Say, says.
Okay, good. So acá la corrección, la pronunciación es says. Okay. Say, says. Okay. Look at this, everybody. In the two verbs, we have the letter. In the two rules, I'm sorry. In the two rules, we have the letter Y. Okay. Remember pronunciation? Y. Oops. Y. Okay. But look at this. There are two rules. Rule number 1 or rule number 3, we have to follow consonant plus Y. Okay, consonant plus Y. For example, we have study. Okay, we have consonant and Y. Marry, consonant and Y. Okay, when the verb ends in consonant and Y, change the letter Y for the letter I, and then we use ES. Letter I and letters ES, okay? As you see, guys, the first rule is consonant Y. Rule number 2, it's about vowel and letter Y. If we have vowel and letter Y, we add letter S. Okay, letter S. Play, plays. Say, says. This is important, guys. First of all, for pronunciation. Second, for writing. Okay. Estas reglas son importantes. Primero, para la pronunciación, ¿ok? Para que no olviden, perdón, para que no olviden usar la letter S al final, porque si ven el sonido de todos los verbos es igual, con una S al final, cuando hablamos de he, she, it. For example, he studies. He studies. Very good. Eric, question. Do you study? Do you study? Yes or no?
No.
No. Okay, I'm sorry. So let's see. Okay. Let me see. Where is Pablo? Pablo, do you study? Hello, Pablo. Do you study, Pablo, or no? Okay, so right now, guys, he studies the complement. What could be the complement? He studies English, for example. He studies at school. At school. Okay, another option. He studies, I don't know. He studies at home. Oops. At home, or he studies in the morning. So we have many options, guys. But as you see, we are talking about he, okay? Third person. Now, guys, look at the second rule. He plays or she plays. He say, or sorry, he says. Okay, remember? Letter S at the end. Ok, Pablo, gracias por avisarme. Lo siento mucho. Si te sirve, sal de la clase y vuelve a ingresar. A veces es problema de Zoom, ¿ok? Por eso es que a veces no se puede participar correctamente. Now, pay attention, guys. Pay attention, guys, to the irregular forms of the verbs. Estos verbos no siguen una regla como tal. ¿Por qué razón? Porque no todos los verbos funcionan así. Al menos los que terminan en O, guys, que son pocos. No todos se les agrega ES. Y lo mismo para este, que es quizá el que cambia más, have. Como pueden ver, le quitamos las últimas dos letras y le agregamos letter S. ¿ok? No sirve esta regla o no se sigue esta regla para todos los verbos que sean iguales, sino solamente para estas formas que son irregulares, irregular forms. Base form, do. Third person, does. Base form, go. Third person, goes. Base form, have. Third person, has. Okay? These are the rules for third person. Okay? Now, everybody, pay attention to that structure. Okay? The structure is subject, verb in third person, and complement. Please tell me right now, Daniela, what are the subjects?
He, she, it.
Very good. He, she, it. Pay attention to the verbs. All the verbs have a different letter. Takes, dances, plays. Okay? They have letter S. And then they complement. The same rule, everybody. Subject, verb, and complement have to match. Okay? Siempre tienen que conectar. El subject, el verb, and complement. For example, guys, is it correct to say he studied? Is that correct, everybody? He studied?
No.
Is not correct. So I have to say he studies, right? Very good. These are the rules for third person. He, she, it. Now we have to continue with the negative form. In negative, we have to use two auxiliaries. The first auxiliary is don't. The next auxiliary is doesn't. The auxiliaries are, los auxiliares realmente son do, does. But in this case, we use them in negative. Do not or does not. Okay? In contraction, don't, doesn't. Okay. In this moment, please pay attention to, I don't know. Okay, Daniela, read the structure in the example.
They don't do homework in the afternoon.
Very good. And the structure?
Subject, don't, doesn't, verb is present form, y complement.
Thank you. Okay, look at this. They don't do. Ok, recuerden que do funciona en la oración como un auxiliary, but also it works as a verb. También es un verbo, que lo tenemos acá. Do homework. Do homework. So, as you see, guys, in this opportunity, we have to use the auxiliary do or does in negative. Does, doesn't, I mean, and do not, okay, or don't. Don't, doesn't in negative examples. Now, everybody, pay attention to negative form for third person. Please, Saida, read the three examples.
Simple present negative form. She doesn't sing in Spanish. He doesn't play basketball. The dog doesn't sleep on the bed.
Okay, very good. Okay, as you see, guys, remember, what do we use in affirmative? ¿Qué usamos en afirmativo, guys? Para third person.
Does.
Does.
In affirmative. Okay, in affirmative, remember we use letter S, letters ES, or letters IES, okay? Those are the rules, okay? Rules for third person, okay? Those are the rules. In negative, the rule is doesn't and the verb in base form. La única regla que vamos a utilizar o lo único que vamos a utilizar, que vamos a cambiar de las oraciones en negativo es doesn't. Luego el verbo se mantiene en su forma natural, en su forma normal, así como lo usamos en presente. Thank you, Catherine. Gracias por los ejemplos with letter Z, ¿ok? Ya no los busqué, pero tú sí. Bus and buses, blitz, blitzes. Okay, those are good examples. So as you see, guys, we use doesn't. In the three examples, we use doesn't because we are talking about he, she, and it. Doesn't. And the verb is base form. No rule, everybody. No letter S, no letter ES, no letters IES. Base form. Sing, play, sleep. Okay? Doesn't and the verb in base form. So this is something you have to remember, guys. And the last thing, do you have questions about this, everybody? Questions, preguntas, just no? Okay, no. So let's continue to the last part. Interrogative form. In interrogative, we use the auxiliaries do or does. Okay? The auxiliaries. Like this. Okay? Do or does. In the questions, we use do and does at the beginning. En el inicio, okay? Al inicio de la pregunta. Do, does. Can you read the structure, Wendy?
Do, ay, no recuerdo cómo se llama la beca.
Solo le diré así, do or does. Ahí solo le he puesto para separarlo.
Do or does plus subject plus verb in base form plus complement.
Thank you. And the example?
Does she cook lunch? Yes, she does. No, she doesn't.
Very good, okay? As you see, these questions, at least these questions, guys, hoy solo vamos a ver estas preguntas, las yes, no questions. They start with the auxiliary, then the subject, and then the verb in base form. And the possible answers are yes or no, depending on the subject. For example, guys, do you speak English? ¿Cuáles serían las posibles respuestas? Vamos a preguntarle a algunos de ustedes. Yvette, do you speak English?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
No sé.
Yes.
Yes. In.
I. And what is the auxiliary? ¿Cuál sería el auxiliary? Yes, I do or yes, I does?
Do.
Very good. Now, one more time. Yvette, do you speak English?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I do.
I do. Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
Very good. Now let's continue with Carla Vanessa. Carla, do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Okay, very good. Let's see, Lizette Benjivar, do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Okay, excellent. Now, Claudia Loy, do you speak Chinese?
No, I don't.
Oh, no, I don't. Very good, Claudia. No, I don't. Okay, so we answer yes or no, the subject and the auxiliary. Okay, siempre vamos a usar el subject dependiendo de la pregunta. Por ejemplo, acá el ejemplo primero era, does she? La respuesta, she does. Porque estamos hablando de she. Luego en la siguiente pregunta, do you? Estamos hablando de ustedes o de individualmente cada uno. Right? So, yes, I do. Yes, I. La pregunta era directamente para you. Entonces respondemos I. Yes, I do. No, I don't. Okay? Very good. But remember, these are short answers. Okay? Las respuestas cortas, yes, I do. No, I don't. Tenemos la opción de decir oraciones completas, yes, guys. But it's too much work. Es mucho trabajo. Así que, guys, yes, I do. No, I don't. It's okay. Now, let's continue, guys. And I have a question. Well, do you have any question? Let's see, Catherine. Questions?
Quiero saber la diferencia, digamos, cuándo voy a usar das y cuándo voy a usar do.
That's a good question.
¿Para qué subject voy a ocupar das y para qué voy a ocupar do?
Okay,
Please.
good. So, let me see. Can someone help us? ¿Alguien podría ayudarnos con la respuesta? Okay, thank you. So, we use do for siguiendo las mismas reglas o las mismas estructuras que aprendimos, vamos a usar do para I, you, we, and they. Y does siempre lo vamos a usar para tercera persona. Catherine, what are the subjects in third person?
She
Uh-huh.
y it.
It, very good, okay? So this is your answer, Catherine. Recuerda que el does es solamente para third person, para tercera persona. Third person. He, she, and it. Siempre que hablamos de ellos, vamos a usar el auxiliary does. Ok, recuerden in negative and in questions. ¿Qué usamos en affirmative? Recuerden, does solamente para negative and questions. ¿Qué usamos en affirmative?
Do.
Do.
The verb in base form.
The verb in base form in third person? In third person, what do we use?
We use
Third person is the
yes.
rules.
Very
Does.
good. We use the rules, okay? Las reglas, right? Letter S, letters ES, or letters IES, okay? So we will continue practicing right now with the following activity. Please, everybody, let's practice together. Vamos a practicar en los últimos minutos que nos quedan de la clase de hoy. Okay, right now, guys, focus, pay attention on the verbs. Okay, choose the correct present simple forms. Give me a second. Choose the correct present simple forms to complete the following sentences. Okay, look at example number one. Example number one. Give me a second. Okay, example number 1. I don't drink, not drink, or drink not. What could be the right option? ¿Quién
Don't
me ayuda?
drink.
Don't drink.
Okay, don't drink, don't drink.
Don't
Very
drink.
good. The correct structure is don't drink. I don't. Very good. Example, give me a second. Example number 2. She has, or has?
Has.
Has.
She has. Very good. Okay, now let me listen to some of you. Okay, I want to hear Lisette. Example number 3, Lisette. Oh, give me a second, un segundito.
Has. Lo mismo que la misma respuesta que el 2.
No, give me a
No.
second. No, give me a second.
No.
Ok, sería, give me a second, no sé qué está pasando. El internet está algo lento. Ok, Tom doesn't starts, do not start, or doesn't start.
Do not start.
Do not start, Tom,
Ajá.
he. He do not start. Are you sure?
Doesn't start.
Oh, doesn't start. Very good. Thank you, Catherine. That was great. Tom doesn't start work until 10 today. Thank you. Okay, that was excellent. Let's continue right now, and we will continue with our next sentence. Please, Eric. Example 4. What is the correct structure? What is the correct option?
Do you play an instrument?
Do you play? Okay. Do you play an instrument? Very good. Let's continue right now with sentence 5. Okay, sentence 5, it's going to be for, let's see. It's going to be for Claudia. Claudia, please, sentence 5. The museum. Give me a second. What is the correct option? Open, opens, or does open?
Open.
Oh, repeat again.
Open.
Opens. Very good. That's the right option. The museum opens at 10 o'clock. Right now, everybody, let's continue and pay attention to Daniela Alegría. Daniela, tell me example 6. Peter and Megan. Hello, Daniela.
Ay, es que no me sale a mí. No sé si solo soy yo.
Oh, give me a second. Yes, that was my mistake. Fue mi culpa, lo siento, okay? So Peter and Megan often go, often do go, or often goes?
You go.
Often do go.
No. Goes.
Goes. Peter and Megan goes.
No, go.
Okay, now, this is the last option, the last opportunity, right? Peter and Megan often go, do go, or goes. What do you think, Daniela?
Go.
Go. ¿Respuesta definitiva?
Sí. Yes.
Okay. Peter and Megan often go, give me a second, go to the cinema. Okay, thank you. Next example. Please, let's continue with, okay, Saraí Abrego. Saraí, John do not get up, doesn't get up, sorry, doesn't get up or doesn't get up.
Doesn't get up.
Okay, John doesn't get up very late. Okay, that's good. Antonia, sentence 8. What time they leave? Do they leave or they do leave? It's a question, remember.
Do they live?
What time do they leave home in the morning? Okay, that's good. Now, let's continue with Saida. Saida, example 9. What language? Does he study? Do he studies or does he studies?
Does he studies?
Does he studies?
Yes.
Are you sure? ¿Segura, Saida?
No sé.
Okay. Remember, what language does he study? Do he studies or does he studies?
No sé.
So, ¿nos quedamos con does he studies entonces?
Sí.
Okay, thank you. And the last person is going to be Carla Vanessa. Okay, Carla Vanessa. My son never watches, watch or watches?
Watches.
My son never watches cartoons. Okay,
Cartoons.
pay attention to the result. The result, everybody, is 9 out of 10. Tenemos un 9 de 10. Solamente nos tuvimos one mistake, un errorcito, okay? Let's see. I don't drink, very good. She has, very good. Tom doesn't start, very good. Do you play? Opens, very good. Go, doesn't get up. What time do they leave? What language does he studies? Ahí está el error, okay? Guys, what is the correct option? What is the correct answer?
What language do he studies?
Do he?
Does he study?
Does he study? Recuerden que en las preguntas, a pesar que no estudiamos las WH questions, porque no hemos visto WH questions en esta clase, a pesar que no las estudiamos, recuerden la estructura se mantiene, ¿ok? Auxiliary does, he, el subject, y el verbo siempre en pregunta, y en negativo va en base form, ¿ok? Y ya luego el último, pues my son never watches cartoons. Muy bien, ¿ok? Solamente tuvimos un errorcito. No es, bueno, solamente es de corregirlo. Por lo demás, hemos hecho un buen trabajo. Guys, we don't have more time. Ya no tenemos tiempo. Animarlos a que sigan practicando en casa. Así que vamos a revisar la tarea. Solamente, o cuál es la tarea, mejor dicho. Antes que nada, guys, mencionarles lo siguiente, indicaciones que se les compartieron en el grupo de WhatsApp, que me gustaría volver a mencionarles acá. Guys, recuerden por favor trabajar en las actividades de la plataforma. Recuerden que es importante que vayan al día, que vayan completando todas las actividades y que sobre todo, guys, traten de llegar al porcentaje que se nos ha puesto como límite, right? Recuerden que ayer tenían que entregar el 50. Me alegra porque he visto que varios han estado enviando, han estado respondiendo al mensaje o han reaccionado al mensaje, o algunos de ustedes incluso han enviado actividades en las que probablemente han tenido problemas para que entre todos podamos ayudarnos. Así que pues les animo a que sigan así, a que sigan practicando. Si tienen algún problema con alguna actividad, háganos saber en el grupo de WhatsApp para que entre todos podamos ayudarnos, ya sea que yo les ayude, mi coordinadora, o entre ustedes como compañeros puedan ayudarse. Lo importante es que avancemos, practiquemos y también vengamos a la clase a practicar. Principalmente, guys, está bien que practiquemos acá, pero también avancemos en las actividades de la plataforma, porque al final eso es lo que se nos va a revisar para poder aplicar o para poder continuar en el siguiente nivel. Okay, so please everybody complete the following activities. Today we start Unit 4. Please guys do activity 4.0 and finish in activity 4.2.1. Seasons, adjectives. Okay, trabajen en estas actividades, guys, y así podemos continuar con nuestra clase el día de mañana. Guys, it was good to see you and listening to you. I hope to see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.
Night.
Good night.